You freaking Dutch.
You freaking Dutch. Hello, my name is... Okay. Hey, my name is Jon Klasbu. I am a Norwegian photographer. I am based in the south of Norway, and I am what I would say is a versatile photographer. By that I mean that I don't do just one thing. My main thing the later years has been and is business to business, small, medium businesses, where I provide them with the needs they need, both in photos, film and design. I really do appreciate and enjoy having this versatility in my profession, where I can do a lot of different things. I am also known as the one who's been working a lot with athletics and fitness industries. I've been working with both Norwegian and foreign countries' magazines, and been doing a lot of cool covers and cover stories and stuff like within the fitness industry. One of my goals when I started doing this was to put all these big monster muscle people into cool settings, where I would do photo shoots with my special light setups and then composite it in cool environments and stuff like that. And I was maybe a little early doing that, but it was cool. A couple of years ago I was asked to be an ambassador for Focus Nordic, and I said of course yes. This is a great opportunity to be able to see and test new light setups, new lenses, all the gadgets that Focus Nordic are providing the photo market with, and I really enjoy doing that. This time I received this thing, and this is a really exciting lens in my opinion. It is a really versatile lens, which you have the 35mm wide, and you go all the way up to 150. And not only that, the aperture is actually f2.0 to 2.8, which is really great in my mind. I often find myself working in kind of dark environments, and to be honest, to be over 2.8 in aperture is not really something I'm comfortable with. If you are working mostly outside or daytime and have all the available lights that you need, of course then you can go really higher on the f-stops. But for my sake, this lens with a 2.0 to 2.8 is just perfect. It is a big lens, but it's not that big. It's not that big and it's not that heavy. And I would actually say that with this one, it's almost the only one you need. Especially if you're working within weddings and portraits and stuff like that, then you really don't need anything else than this one. As a wedding photographer, maybe you will need a little bit wider lens or something, but in all regards, this should really do the job. Tamron is also providing their customers with online support, where you can download something called Tamron Lens Utility, which are a software directly for the lens. You will just connect it to your computer with a USB-C, and you download it directly into the lens, and then you can go in and you can pre-program a lot of different settings. Like let's see, you can set the A and B focus, where you can switch between two focus points just by pushing a button. There are focus presets. You can select the autofocus or the manual focus just by pushing a button. You have a focus ring settings, and a lot of other functions that you can just download and pre-compose in your lens. So try it, it's cool. So I'm really excited to try this a little bit more. Today we are gonna try it in the studio with the studio settings. We are bringing also the Pavo lights, which are amazing, great, small and strong lights that I will try to set up in the studio. So, well, without any further ado, just jump into the studio. Cool. We are rigging up with the Pavo lights. I'm setting up a beauty light for this model, and as we said, we are going to use this lens and try this in the studio environment, which it's actually very great for. You got the versatility with the wide angle, and you get to zoom in, and all the way you got this great aperture, and with Sony's iFocus you really can't miss. So this thing is working just great. I love it. Really can recommend this lens. And as you can see, the light from the Pavo tubes are really soft, nice lights. Almost didn't do anything in Photoshop here. It's almost straight out of the camera. We brought our model out to the street outside of the studio. It was cold, minus 7-8 degrees or something, but she was a trooper and she posed, and we used only natural light sources with some, well, fast posing and having some fun outside as well.